Welcome to DJI Lift System Dual Battery Version Installation Guide. Take out DJI Lift System Dual Battery Version. That included front top shell and power distribution board fixing bracket. Unscrew the 4 screws securing power distribution board dustproof cover on the T100 airframe. Remove the power distribution board dustproof cover. Unscrew the screws on the front top shell. Remove the front top shell. Reinstall the new front top shell in sequence. Install the power distribution board fixing bracket. Place the flight platform onto DJI Lift System Dual Battery Version. Lock the middle frame latch. Connect the payload cable interface and snap it into the latch. Insert the power distribution connector into the power distribution board on the airframe. Ensure it clicks firmly into place. For single battery operation, securely snap the power distribution connector onto the landing gear crossbeam. Ensure both locating pins are fully aligned. To minimize risk of connector disengagement during flight, unscrew the screws on the power distribution board wiring. To prevent interference with a single battery insertion, place the wiring behind the battery slider. Repeat on the other side. Using a 13mm wrench, unscrew the 2 nuts securing the propeller. Remove the propeller clamp, propeller spacer, and propeller in sequence. Using an M2.5 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws securing the motor upper cover. Remove the motor upper cover. Take out the new motor upper cover and install it onto the motor. Using an M2.5 screwdriver, tighten the 4 mounting screws on the motor upper cover. Install the propeller spacer in sequence. Ensure the protrusion on the propeller spacer faces upward. Propeller spacer. Ensure the protrusion on the propeller spacer faces downward. Install the propeller clamp and apply blue adhesive to the motor shaft. Use 13mm wrench to tighten the propeller mounting screws. Recommended torque, 150 kgf/cm. Repeat for the remaining 7 motor covers. Insert the battery and power on. Follow the prompts in the remote control app to upgrade the firmware. Thank you for watching.